Hello everyone. Well, it is time again for the 4th Art Saturday video hop. And this month, the theme is summer. Now, if you're not familiar with the video hop, Meri from the Meri Atelier has organized this. Thank you, Meri. Let's make sure that Meri gets a lot of thanks because this is a lot of work. And the other thing is to make sure you, when you're finished watching this video, go down to the description box and click on the top link. The top link in everyone's videos will take you to the next video in the hop, and when we're all finished with the videos, you'll be right back here to me. So this month's theme is summer. And I thought I'd do some collage for the summer theme, and I don't seem to have my glue book. Well, I'll just have to use something else. I'll find something. I'll just use the back side of this piece of paper. Anyways, so the theme is summer. And I have some different things here. I'm going to do a collaged postcard. I'm going to make a little postcard. It's a 4x6 piece of cardstock. I have some magazine images. I have this napkin. And I have some Tim Holtz words when I get it finished. So I'm not sure I'm going to talk a lot, but I will be here when I finish up to make sure that I've told you what I've done. And I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. So I hope you will enjoy this. Okay, guys. I am really pleased with how this came out. I just simply used some magazine images and a glue stick, and I have created a postcard. Now, I will use my Mod Podge mixture over the top of this before I mail something like this. You don't have to, but I like to. The Mod Podge, just I make sure that the surface is consistent, especially since I used these words. Now, I did look up my words ahead of time. Otherwise, we'd have been here till tomorrow or the next day trying to find the words I wanted. But this was a little flower, and I used it for the sun. This piece was from a magazine that had some quilted pieces in it. Obviously, the sunglasses are an advertisement for sunglasses. These were just a couple of beachy, watery kind of things. I'm not a beach person, but summertime and beach kind of goes together. So I thought the wording came out pretty good. Strong sunshine, thankful thoughts, and making family smile. So anyways, guys, that's just a little postcard that has been collaged, and I hope you enjoyed this summertime theme for our 4th Art Saturday video hop. Do make sure to thank Meri from the Meri Atelier for putting this all together. She's amazing. This is a lot of work. Also, make sure to like and comment on all the different artists' videos, because the artists are in the description box down below. My fingers are all dirty. The first link on the top of the link list, if you click on it, each person's description box will have the next person's as the top link. So just clicking on those top links and go have fun, make some art. Bye-bye.